A very good afternoon, students. I hope you all are healthy and fine staying at home. Now today we will start with a honeysuckle book, and in the honeysuckle book your first poem, the name of the poem is A House and a Home. Now coming further to the poem, yes, I hope you all are having book. So the first line in the poem, the poet is asking that what is a house, and the answer also is only giving that it's a brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. So in the first paragraph, what the poet is asking is, do you know what is a house? And he's saying that yes, a house is made up of bricks and stone and wood, yes, and there are some window glasses and a yard. You know what is a yard? Yes, a yard is a small area around the house. Okay, yes, a type of garden you can say. It's eaves and chimneys. Eaves means a small passage people make in the above the roof so that the water can flow from that part. Yes, and the chimneys are the type of canals from which the smoke can go out of your house. Yes, and all these you can see in the village people mainly use these things, and nowadays it's in the town also. And tile floors, you all know what is a tile. And stucco and roof and lots of doors. Yes, stucco means a cement plaster, a thin wall of plaster, a roof, and there are lots of doors. As you can see in the picture also, there is a picture of a house. So a house is a structure. It's not a living unit, it's a non-living thing, it's only a structure that is made up of material things. Now in the second para, the poet is asking that what is a home? And he's saying that it's a loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish act and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you're always caring. So in this para, the poet is asking now, do you know what is a home? And he's saying that yes, a home is a loving and family. A home means where a family lives. Yes, a family lives together, they care for each other, they love to each other, they are just caring, they are sharing all the things with each other. Yes, there is a father, there is a mother, there are brothers and sisters, and what all they do is they do the things for an unselfish act. Now what is that unselfish act means? They are not selfish, they are never asking you anything in return whatever they are doing. Yes, like your father, he is going out, he is doing a job and he is earning money. For whom he is earning money? He is earning money for the family. If mother is working, they are just working for their children, and in return they don't want anything, they just want the love, yes, from their children. Understood? So this is a home. Yes, a home is a living unit. It means a family where the set of members live. It has parents and children, and they all are bonded with each other. Yes, they are all connected with each other with love and respect, caring and sharing. Understood? Yes.